Welcome to this YouTube video on how to consume turmeric better for a healthy life. Turmeric is a popular spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties. It is also commonly used in cooking, particularly in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisine. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been linked to various health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, and improving heart health. In this video, we will be discussing different ways to consume turmeric to help you reap its health benefits. Before we begin, it's important to note that turmeric is generally safe to consume in food amounts. However, taking large amounts of turmeric supplements may have negative side effects, particularly if you have certain health conditions or are taking certain medications. Always speak with your healthcare provider before taking turmeric supplements. Let's take a look at how we can consume turmeric. Number 1. Add turmeric to your cooking. Turmeric is commonly used in curries, rice dishes, and stews. You can also add it to scrambled eggs, smoothies, or roasted vegetables. To get the most benefits, pair turmeric with black pepper, which has been shown to enhance the absorption of curcumin. Number 2. Make turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a popular way to consume turmeric, particularly if you want to enjoy its health benefits in a warm and soothing drink. To make turmeric tea, heat water in a pot and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain it into a mug. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Number 3. Turmeric golden milk. Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic beverage made with turmeric and milk. It is a delicious and nutritious way to consume turmeric. To make golden milk, combine 1 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a sweetener of your choice, such as honey or maple syrup. Heat the mixture in a saucepan until it's hot but not boiling. Number 4. Turmeric supplements. If you're not able to consume turmeric through food or drink, you can consider taking turmeric supplements. However, it's important to note that not all turmeric supplements are created equal. Make sure to look for supplements that contain a high concentration of curcumin and are third-party tested for purity and potency. Number 5. Turmeric shots. Turmeric shots are a popular way to consume turmeric quickly and easily. You can make your own turmeric shots by blending turmeric root with ginger, lemon, and a sweetener of your choice. You can also purchase pre-made turmeric shots from health food stores or online. Number 6. Turmeric capsules. Turmeric capsules are another way to consume turmeric. They come in different strengths and formulations, so it's important to read the label carefully to ensure that you're getting the right dose of curcumin. Here are a few recipes with turmeric that you can try. First recipe: turmeric scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon butter or oil. Instructions: crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk until smooth. Add the turmeric powder, salt, and pepper to the bowl and whisk until everything is well combined. Heat the butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the egg mixture to the pan and stir continuously until the eggs are cooked through and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Second recipe: turmeric chicken curry. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 can coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon oil, fresh cilantro for garnish, optional. Instructions: heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic to the pan and cook until the onion is soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the chicken to the pan and cook until browned on all sides, about 5 minutes. Add the turmeric powder, curry powder, salt, and pepper to the pan and stir to coat the chicken. Pour in the coconut milk and stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Serve hot over rice and garnish with fresh cilantro if desired. Third recipe: turmeric roasted vegetables. Ingredients: assorted vegetables of your choice, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and cauliflower, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, Instructions. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle the olive oil over the vegetables and toss to coat. Sprinkle the turmeric powder, salt, and pepper over the vegetables and toss again to coat. Roast the vegetables in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, until they are tender and golden brown. Serve hot as a side dish or as a main course over rice or quinoa. In conclusion, turmeric is a versatile spice that can be consumed in many ways to help you achieve a healthy life. Thank you for joining. If you feel that you learned something new, kindly share this video with others so they can benefit too.